My name is Dietzenbach, and I'm the school counselor here at Pardeeville Elementary. I wanted to let you know that we just finished with Al, the Respect Guy, in the Roar Show. It was an amazing show.
That was amazing. It was so wonderful. A little girl sitting by me told me best assembly ever.
Show. The students were really focused the whole time watching him, just entranced in what he was saying. He used magic tricks and props to help them remember being respectful and responsible people, and I know that my students are going to go and use all that they have learned here to make our community wonderful. And I know that the students are going to use that message to make our school a wonderful place to be. I highly recommend that you would use this show.